Chengdu MRJ-Laser Technology Company Limited is a high-tech enterprise specializing in development, production, and sales of laser cleaning, marking, welding, visual inspection, and related application control system. With more than 10 invention patents and several intellectual property certificates, all products have passed CE and FDA certificates. Quality control strictly enforces ISO 9001 quality management system. The products have been widely used in industrial processing and laser intelligent manufacturing fields in over 50 countries in the world. MRJ-Laser owns a first-class R&D center with outstanding talent team and strong technical force, dedicated to provide all-around laser application solutions to meet the customization demands of laser equipment in different fields for worldwide customers.
Our mission is to offer most cost-effective laser solutions. Welcome to visit us, Chengdu MRJ-Laser.